Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real, honest product overviews. In today's video, we're talking about what we think is the best Prang watercolor paint set out there. The Prang Oval Pan Watercolor Paint Set with 16 assorted colors. Let's dive right in. So first off, the packaging. This set comes in a durable, compact plastic case that's super travel-friendly. It's lightweight, easy to open, and best of all, it includes a built-in mixing area right inside the lid. Whether you're a beginner, student, or even a teacher using this in the classroom, this case is all about convenience. The set includes 16 vivid colors that cover the entire spectrum. And these aren't just your basic primary colors, along with your standard red, blue, green, and yellow. You're also getting secondary and tertiary shades like red-orange, blue-violet, turquoise, and even white. That means you can go right into detailed work and blending without feeling like you're missing key colors. One of the biggest wins with this set is the quality of the pigments. These are pure colors with absolutely no wax fillers, which means you get a super smooth laydown and brilliant, vibrant results on paper. And when we say, just add water, we mean it. These paints activate immediately with a bit of moisture, making them ideal for quick projects or long painting sessions. Now here's something a lot of people overlook. The paint pans in this set are actually refillable. So instead of tossing the entire case when you run out of a color, you can snap in a new one and keep using the same tray. That's a great feature both for sustainability and for long-term use, especially if you have favorite shades that you go through more quickly. It also comes with a size 6 brush included, and it's not just a throwaway brush. It's actually a decent starter tool with a good balance of flexibility and control. You can get some clean edges and soft washes depending on how you use it. One of the reasons this set is trusted in classrooms all over the world is that it's AP certified non-toxic. That makes it a totally safe choice for kids while still being high quality enough for older students and even adult hobbyists. The colors are rich, they dry fairly quickly, and they don't crack or flake once dry, which makes your work look more polished and durable. What really makes this set stand out is the legacy of the brand behind it. Prang has been around since 1882, and this set continues that tradition of high standards and affordability. It's also part of the Dixon Ticonderoga family, which includes other well-known names in the art world like Canson, Strathmore, Lyra, and Daler Rowney. So whether you're looking to introduce a child to the world of painting, stock up for art class, or you're just hunting for a reliable, travel-friendly watercolor set, this 16-color Prang Oval Pan Set is a solid choice. Alright, that wraps up our overview of the Prang Watercolor Paint Set. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what art supply we should review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next video.